Okay, number 9, we're going to get into some graphing. The first one we have to do for letter A, we need to isolate the y. So we're going to subtract 3x on both sides. So y is less than negative 3x plus 4. So that means that our slope is negative 3 and our y-intercept is 0, 4. Now let's graph this. Oops. Our y-intercept is 4 up here. Slope is down 3 over 1. Down 3 over 1. All right. Since my inequality doesn't have the equal part to it, this has to be a dash line. If it had the equal part, it would have been a solid line. And now you have to shade either above or below the line. Since y is less than negative 3x plus 4, then you shade below the line. So everything in pink is a possible solution. Now for your domain, how far to the left does it go? So it goes from negative infinity all the way to positive infinity to the right. Range, how low and how high does it go? From negative infinity to infinity as well. For B, this is a quadratic function. And also notice that it's in vertex form. We know that it's going to open up. Not open up. We know it's going to open down because it's negative in the front. Our axis of symmetry is x equals 2. It's the opposite of the number in the parentheses. And then the vertex is 2, 1. So it's the opposite of the number inside the parenthesis and then the number outside the parenthesis. You could organize your points in the table. So the points that we have now, it's 2, 1. So I'm going to start plotting these points as we go along so you can see where they're coming from. First, the axis of symmetry is 2. So I'm going to draw a dashed line there. Okay. Graph in red. Okay, the first point is 2, 1. Okay. And then we're going to use some mental math to come up with other points. If I plug in 3 into the function, so if I put a 3 here, 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 squared is 1. But there's a negative in the front, so that makes it negative 1 plus 1, which makes it 0. So we have 3, 0. Now using symmetry, I'm going to mirror this point on the other side. And this point is 1, 0. I'm going to add one more point. So I'm going to plug in 4. Again, using mental math. So if this was 4, 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 squared is 4. The sign in the front makes it negative 4. Plus 1 is negative 3. So 4, negative 3. And again, using symmetry, I'm going to put another point on the other side here. And then with this, I'm going to go ahead and graph my parabola. So the domain for this one is from negative infinity to positive infinity from left to right. And the range, the lowest it goes is negative infinity. And the highest it goes is 1. I'm going to use a bracket because it does